Are you a tradie or contractor frustrated that your Google ads don't show up or pop up when you search for your own service? I'll share with you the 3 biggest reasons why that happens and finish with a quick checklist to show you exactly how to fix the problem. We'll cover in this video how Google decides who sees your ads, why your location settings matter, and what your budget and schedule actually mean. And as a bonus, I'm going to share with you my proven setup checklist. Who is this video for? I essentially made this for contractors and tradies, but it will work for any business that uses Google Ads to generate leads. Before we start, I'm going to assume that you're looking for your ads in the right place. So you've done a search. Your ads should be either appearing at the top here, sometimes they'll appear in the maps here, and also you'll get ads down the bottom. They won't always appear on every single page either. So if you go to the next page, you'll often get different ads appearing on the next page. Now, assuming that you didn't find your ads and they didn't show up, we'll go through the 3 most common reasons why this happens. Now, none of these reasons mean your campaigns are broken and not working. At the end of the video, I will share with you a checklist of common settings so that you can just check that your campaigns are working correctly. Number 1, Google hides your ads. Number 2 is your location targeting is different. And number 3 is budget and your ad schedule. First reason is Google does hide your ads and you may not see your own ad because you may not fit the target profile of the user that your campaign is set up for. Google tracks everything about you online and they track your YouTube views, how long you've been watching something, what you've watched, what you've searched for online, what you actually click on, how long you spend on the page, which pages, your Google Maps, pretty much everything. And with that information, they build up a profile about you and what they think that you're going to click on. So if you don't fit this profile, they may not show your ad to you. Next thing is that if you've been searching your own campaigns a lot, you may have seen your ad once or twice, but if you're not actually clicking on your ad, Google will stop showing you those ads. Next, you've got your location targeting. If you've set up your Google ads properly, then you should have set up some cities, towns, suburbs to target in your Google ads. So if you're searching for your service and you're outside of your targeted area like this, if you're over here, for example, then your ad is just not going to show up. Reason 3 is your budget and ad schedule. Let's say you've got a daily budget of $50 a day. Now, if your clicks are costing you $5 to $10 per click, which is pretty common, then you've only really got enough budget to have 5 or 10 clicks. So once you've exceeded that budget, Google's going to stop showing your ads. So that may be another reason why you're not seeing your ads. Another common reason is that your ad schedule may be preventing your ads from showing. If you're like most service businesses, you're going to want to set up an ad schedule so that your ads only show during the time that your most valuable customers are actually searching. And for most businesses, unless you're running an emergency service, you're not going to be running ads outside of common times. Your ad schedule may be another reason why your ads aren't showing up. Now, your ad schedule will allow you to show your ads on certain days and during certain times of the day. And if you're searching outside of those times, then your ads just won't show up. There is actually another way that you can be checking if your ads are running, and it's called the Ad Preview and Diagnosis tool, which you can find in Google Ads. To get to it, we go to Tools, Troubleshooting, Ad Preview and Diagnosis. To use this tool, put in the location that your ads are actually set up to show in. Add a search term in here, make sure it's one of the keywords in your account, and you can also select a device here. And once you do your search, Google will tell you if your ad's showing up or not. If it's going to show up, it will show you a preview of what it looks like under here. One caveat of this tool is that it's not that reliable. Sometimes it'll tell you that your ads aren't showing when they are showing. Just don't 100% rely on this tool to know whether your ads are working or not. So far, we've covered that Google might actually be hiding your ads. It might be that your location targeting is different from where you're searching for, or that your budget may be running out, or the ad schedule is different from when you're actually searching. But sometimes the issue itself is actually the account setup and your ads actually aren't running, which is why I've got my proven setup checklist here. So you want to look for policy violations, wrong location settings, ads that are paused or disabled, keywords that are too restrictive, negative keywords blocking ads. Your budget might be too low, you might have the wrong ad schedule, or your keywords may not be approved. I'm not going to run through these problems in detail now, but I do have a very specific video which goes through all of these problems, and it's called No Impressions in Google Ads, How to Fix. You can find that on my channel. I'll leave a link in the description below as well. Thanks for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe. Cheers.